letter ba? Okay na ka. Uy, magkatuli ako tuloy na sa Pilipino. There's nothing over there. Remind me about flash dance. Flash dance. Yan lang. Okay. Flash dance.
Just give me a reason.
Repeat it lang siya.
Love shop? Okay pa ako sa love shop eh. Ako lalaki. Ako sila.
If you see your face on the other side of the world.
Okay, tuyo ka na.
Love shop!
Tuyo kay Jerry, ana. Kagandang kay Jerry.
Love shop lagi.
Reason? Okay, bye. Isa lang ikaw. Let's go. Ready? Yes, let.
No, you've been talking in your sleep. Oh, oh, things you never said to me. Oh, oh, tell me that you've had enough of love. Just give me a reason, just a little bit enough. Just a second when I'm broken, just and
Bahala na.